everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this octopus amigurumi. First, begin with the magic ring. Work on 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the tail end to close the ring. One slip stitch to join the row 1, and 1 chain stitch to start row 2. In row 2, we have 6 increase. That means 2 single crochet in 1 foundation stitches. In the row 3, work on 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat the pattern 5 more times until you have total 18 stitches. In the row 4, work on 1 single crochet, 1 increase. One single crochet. Repeat the pattern 5 more times until you have total 24 stitches. In the row 5, work on 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches each, and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern 5 more times until you have total 30 stitches. For row 6 to 9, we work on 30 single crochet in each row. In the row 10, work on 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet decrease. Repeat the pattern 5 more times until you have total 24 stitches left. In the row 11, work on 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Repeat the pattern 5 more times until you have total 18 stitches left. I would like to turn it over, and we will work our octopus feet in the row 12. Work on the front loop only. We have 1 slip stitch, then chain 7. Back to the second loop from the hook, work on 6 single crochet. 1 slip stitch in the next front loop. 1 slip stitch have another feet. Chain 7. Back to the second loop from the hook, work on 6 single crochet. One slip stitch in the next front loop. Repeat the pattern until you have total 9 octopus feet. Now we almost finished our little octopus. We need to close the button. In the row 13, we work on the back loop only. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Put the cotton inside it. In the row 14, 6 decrease. Tie the yarn tail with a tapestry needle. You can seal the eyes like me, or you can put a safety eyes on an amigurumi. It's up to you. Okay, hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.